Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Please check this, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please, everybody respond for me. All of you get my voice on screen. Right. All right. Good evening, guys. Right, sir. And those who are coming for demo class today, uh, just listen the class what I'm telling today. At the end of the class, just 10 minutes of time, I will talk with you. Don't worry. Then I have a plan how to proceed for the course. Then everything I will discuss with you clearly. First of all, directly, I want to take the session today is like what there steps to prepare first Java application. Just it's a max installation of the Java software, how to install Java software, then what rules and regulations we have to follow to install Java software. This type of things only today we are going to discuss. Don't worry, point by point we are going to understand all the concepts here now, right? And before this introduction topic is available, then why Java is coming, then differences between Java and others Java features, up to these basic concepts I discussed it there, but again I will discuss with you, don't worry. So that related points, the demo related points I'll discuss with you, and at the end of the session just take here. Then before that, let me start like what there steps to prepare first Java application. The topic here I want to start with you now. Clear, all of you know? Right, sir. Now, if we want to, if we want to prepare any Java program, basic or fundamental Java program, if we want to prepare, what exactly the things we have to do, what exactly the steps here we have to do now? Nothing, sir. I have only laptop. In my laptop, only operating system. I have some internet connection. That's it. Well, nowadays, every laptop must have internet connection. Without internet connection, having laptop or computer is a waste of the box. Am I right? Without internet connection, without having internet, what we are able to do? Nothing. Even a single step also, we are unable to move forward. Definitely, we must have what there internet connection. Don't say the reasons to me, sir. I have only laptop. My laptop cost is 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, but I don't have internet connection, sir. Throw outside. Not required. You are not fit for software. So definitely, internet connection is mandatory. Internet is mandatory. How we are going to get it? That's a different story. Why? Because I'm going to give clarity. I have only operating system and internet connection. That's it. No problem. With this setups, your system is available. From this point onwards, we are able to move forward. See that very first one. If you want to prepare a Java program, if you want to compile Java program, if you want to execute Java program, first of all, I need Java software or not? We need Java software or not? So here we require what their Java software. So first of all, we have to install Java software. But how we are going to install Java software? From somewhere else we have to get the Java software or not? Then where we are going to get? From where we are getting the Java software? From internet we have to download the Java software. So that's why that very first step is like what there? Download and install. Download and install Java software. What is the step number one here? Download and install Java software. Step number one. Right, sir. Okay. Java software is installed in my system. I can show how to install the Java software, how to do all the steps here now. With some setups also, we can I provided. Everything is okay, fine. Right, sir. Java software is ready to use. Then I have to write my program or not? I have to write my program. To write a program, I need one editor or not? Say, I want to write something there. Page is required or not? If you want to have a page, a book is required or not? Book and a page we required or not? That's my point here. So editor is required to write Java programs. So that's why here what we have to do now, download and install, download and install Java editor. Number of editors are available. One editor we are going to select. We are going to use that one editor. What editor I'm going to show, that I will discuss with you clearly. Right, sir. Good. Next one is, after that, point number 3. All of you have to carefully. Point number 3. All right, sir. Now Java software is ready. Required setups are available. Java editor is also be available to write the program. Then what next one here? Open Java editor. Open Java editor. Write Java program. Very fundamental program only. Not too much enterprise application on first day. Just I want to display hello world. Just hello, welcome to Java programming. That message I want to display. That's my basic programming part. To write that program, what exactly the syntax I required, what exactly the elements are required, what exactly the lines of instructions we required to display that first program. That's why I'm going to take open Java editor, write Java program. Okay, I have written Java program, sir. Then what next one? I have to save this Java program in my computer or not? I've written some data on my paper, but I have to keep that paper in my book or not? I have to keep that book in my some window or not? Window in the sense like some shelf or not? So I have to save my program into my computer. So here what we have to do there, save Java program, save Java file, save Java file. On file only we have written Java program. We have to save that Java file. Clear cut information. After that, after saving that Java file, what next one? Java file is okay. But before going to execute the program, first we have to cross check whether my program having contains some mistakes or not. Say for example, I have written some document. Before submitting the document to somebody else, I have to cross check my document is right or wrong. Any spelling mistakes are available or not. I have to cross check it or not. Similarly, we have to check whether my program contains any mistakes or not. To check whether my program contains any mistakes or not, what we have to do there? We need to compile the program or not. Compile Java file. Compile what there? Java file. Okay, Java file compilation is completed. After that, okay, my program is absolutely right. Perfectly, I've written my program. No errors are identified. No mistakes are identified. Then I have to execute my program or not? Then we have to go for like what there? Execute Java application or execute Java program. Right. So now these are overall steps here. What we require now. Yes, clear. Now tell me if you want to prepare very first program just to display welcome to Durgasoft or welcome to Java programming. If you want to display that, what are the various steps we require there? Now tell me what is the first one, you know? Download and install Java software. Download and install Java editor. Then what next one, guys? Now tell me, open Java editor and write what there? Java program. Next one is what there? Save Java file. Then what next one here? Compile Java file. Then lastly, what next one here? No, execute Java application. These are overall steps here what we are having clearly. Is it? All of you are getting clarity now? Right, sir. Now we have to understand that very first one. What is this first step here? Understand this clearly. Download and install Java software. Download and install Java software. Right, sir. Guys, before this, all of you, please take this link, no, at least in our notes, is take this link for the sake of this classroom notes, current classroom notes. That in our classes, classroom notes is going to be very good notes I'm going to provide there. You're not required to write anything inside the class now. I will prepare the notes, just we can view the notes, just we can see that note, that's enough. We are able to get complete awareness. https://tinyurl.com/ core Java 7:30 p.m. notes. Take this link. If it is possible, better to open that link in our browser. There we can see the total classroom notes now. Whatever the notes now I'm typing there, that is shareable to everybody, we can get it. Of course, we can download it, but don't do that now immediately. At the end of the course, we can download directly now. Why? Because every day I'm going to type some content here, there automatically you are able to get that notes. Right, sir. Live classroom notes I'm providing. Try to take this. And one more thing, for every class, videos support will be provided. One topic already we completed. Even again, I will discuss with you. Don't worry for it. Even that class videos also we are able to get. I'm able to give that folder access to you, so we are able to get it. Okay, right, sir. Let's see this. Right, all of you are taking this link. Right, sir. Now let's move on to the download and install Java software. Uh, just all of you listen carefully. Close the door. All of you understand it. Already in my system, some Java softwares are already installed. But if you want to show again the Java softwares now, first of all, let me uninstall all the Java softwares. Then after that, freshly I want to show how to install the Java software, right? Right. So now if you want to uninstall anything in our system, what we have to do there? Just we have to go for what there? Control panel. Go for it. Uninstallation of the softwares in the sense, don't to delete the folders. No, that is not the way. This is the way. Go for like what there? Control panel. There we have a programs part. Uninstall a program option is available. Click on it. There all your versions, all your softwares which you have installed so far, that everything is available here. So here we have to uninstall the softwares here now. Then what I required here in my system, Java 7 is installed, Java 8 is installed, Java like what there? Java 8, Java 6. Another one is what there? Java 17 is installed. Because of my previous batches, no, these many softwares I installed. So let me uninstall all of them one by one, one by one. It may take 1 minute of time. Just we have to wait for it. Right click here, uninstall. Okay. But I'm telling to you all of you guys, initially, I'm going to install only 3 versions: Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, and Java 17th version there. For the sake of my other classes, I require the Java 17. But in my classes, up to which version of the Java I'm going to discuss with you, up to the latest version. As of now, the latest version is what there? Java 19. Up to Java 19, we are able to see in our classes. Again, I'm telling there, one time if you learn core Java in my classes, no, it should be the permanent solution. In the next 15 years of time, you should not check back for learning Java, core Java. There's a permanent solution here, what I'm providing here. Because of that reason only, every class is being recorded here. Even the recorded videos also be here we are providing. Up to 1 year of time access, no, but officially 1 year of time we are saying, but more than 1 year we are able to get that access. No. You can see that maximum sufficient. No need to worry, no need to think about it. All right, so this is one point. Next one is after that, after completion of this, it initially I'm going to install 3 versions now: Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, and Java 17 I required for the sake of my other batches now, that I will show how to install the Java 17 also in front of you. But let me uninstall all the versions here. Why? Because we need to get some clarity, right? See, as you are the Java developer, we should not ask to somebody else to come here to install my Java software. No, it's not good thing, right? At least we should know how to install Java software. Not only that, we need to have some idea on the setups. After installation of the Java software, what setups we require. We need to have some idea. Without having idea, nothing we are going to understand. It's a minimum basic responsibility for every Java developer. Of course, if you go for your companies there, if you are working with your company laptops or company systems, no, you don't have any rights to install your own software in that company laptops. The company people are not allowing you to install your own softwares. If you require any software, then what we have to do there? Send a request mail to the system administrators team. The system administrators, they will come to your system, they will install your required softwares. Why? Because in the companies, every software is what their licensed one. Every software should be what their licensed one. Understand it now? So they will not give that licensed versions to your hand. They will not give that. You may misuse it. So they will come to your system, they will install your required softwares. But you can specify that what software you require there. What software you require there, just we can specify that. Then only they're able to allow you. Now try to understand it clearly. All right, sir. Then after that, even company people are not allowing you to keep pen drives in our systems now. 24/7 monitoring is going on. Why? Because sensitive information might be available there. Sensitive data might be available in your project there. So how they are going to allow that? Not possible. So because of that reason, they will not allow you. Right, sir. 1 minute, 1 minute. I think so. Eclipse IDE RIR. This is going to be happen now. IntelliJ idea. I have to close it. Already they are using that. Okay, fine. So due to this reason, right. Right, sir. And one more point I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Installation of the Java software in the sense, two products here we have to install. Automatically, two products are going to be installed in the installation of the Java software. What are the two products? No, one is JDK, another one is what there? JRE. One is what there? JDK. Another one is what there? JRE. Please recognize this. Okay, sir. Now in my system, no Java software is available. But one more small thing, C drive, Java. I created this Java folder under C drive. Nothing is existed here now. And one more thing, I provided some setups actually. Previously, I provided some setups there. What setups here I provided there? All right, sir. Advanced system settings. I'll show this environment variables. Path environment variable here I provided here. Java home. Let me delete it. Then path edit. JDK. I provided this. Now let me delete it. Even that one also. Okay. Right, sir. Getting disturbance. It's okay. Manageable, right? No problem. Yeah, please. Sir. No need to ask any permission, sir. All right, sir. Now, totally my system is Java free system. Java is not available. Now let me check it. Java is exist or not. Let me open command prompt. Inside this command prompt, just I'm going to type like what there, Java C. Are you getting any Java C here? Any Java version is available? That command prompt is saying that I don't know what is that Java C. Means that Java, no Java is existed with us. Clear or not? All right, sir. Now here we need to download and install Java software. Point number one. Points was I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. All right, sir. Download Java software from. I'll give some URL. From that URL here we have to download. Just nothing, sir. Just Google it. Not required to think about. Not required to remember any website name. Just Google it. Obviously, Oracle.com. Why? Because Java is maintained by whom? Oracle. So obviously, from what website we are going to get? No, Oracle. So now let us go for this clearly. All right. So now download our Java software. First of all, I want to download what there? Java 6 download. Now tell me, guys. All of you now tell me. Listen, all of you now tell me. What is the latest version of the Java software? Java 19 as of now. So Java 6 is somewhat older one or not? So Oracle has maintained all the older versions in the form of what their RQ. Oracle is maintaining all the older versions in the form of like what their RQ. So we have to check for it Java RQ downloads. Java SC what there 6. Understand it clearly. Okay, fine. Now let me open this in another link now. All right, sir. Now here, this is a link. This is a link here. We are able to get the respective content here. All right, sir. Now just I'm giving copy. Let me copy this. I want to give that content in our document also there. All right, sir. Download from here. I'm telling to you Java 6 version. The link. This is a link here. We can understand. No. Similarly, I want to provide Java 7. Similarly, I need to provide Java 8. Links I'm going to provide there for the sake of you. Just we can click on that links. Automatically, we are able to get them. Right, sir. So now this is like what I'm telling to you. Java 6 link. Right, sir. Observe carefully. Before going to download your Java software, first of all, aware what exactly your operating system. What is your operating system, sir? My operating system is what there? Windows. In Windows, let us go for this Windows here. In Windows, 64-bit and 86-bit, two things are available. What is my operating system now? Is it 64-bit or 86-bit? That we have to identify. All right, sir. But how to know that? What is my actual operating system? How to know this? If you want to know that, now then we have to go for like what there? Right click on it and go for properties here. Right, sir. Open this PC, then right click on there, go for properties, no, where what we are getting their processor, maybe system is what they now tell me 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor, clear or not? So my processor is 64 and my operating system is also be what there 64-bit. So every software I have to download with which type, no, 64-bit. Please remember this. 32-bit and 86 both are same. 32-bit and 86 both are same. Please remember this. All 32-bit softwares will run under 64-bit, no problem. All 32-bit softwares will run under what their 64-bit operating system. But a 64-bit operating system softwares will not run under what their 32-bit operating system. Please remember this. So if my operating system is 64-bit, either we can download 86-bit or 32-bit or 64-bit, no problem. All of them are going to be worked out. But if my operating system is 32-bit operating system, you must download only 32-bit or maybe 86. You should not download what there 64-bit. It will not run under our what 32-bit operating system. But of course, nowadays every laptop is available with what their 64-bit operating system, so we can download 64-bit only. Compatible softwares only we have to download. Don't download other incompatible softwares there. That's okay, fine. Leave this one. Now here, let me download the content here. That's okay, fine. Let us go for this now. Here my operating system is what the 64-bit. Now here, download link is available. JDK link is available. Let me download this particular link here. Right, sir, coach. Right, sir. There is a message, guys. I think so. Then our online people are very much aggressive. Don't make the people fool by running the recorded session now. Who is fool, sir? No. Arey yaar. Right. It's okay, fine. I have not seen that message. Might be whenever he's in live, no. Unnecessarily, he lost that session, right? But anyway, then you'll understand it. At least if you see the date and time, no, it's available in my system there. Easily can identify it's a recorded session or like something else. No? Yeah, my point is what there, he lost the session. That is a problem there. Right, sir. Anyway, listen. So now link is available. Let me click on this link. No, now here we are getting like what there. Right. Please remember this one option we are getting there. We are trying to download Java software from RQ. RQ or not? RQ or not? Observe carefully. Whenever I click on this, now it is asking about Oracle authentication. If you want to download any software from Oracle website, definitely you should be the account holder of the Oracle. There's a free account only. Don't think much about it. Just here. If you don't have any account there, click on what there, create account, where we are able to get one registration form. There we can enter the data, fake data only, your original name, email ID, mobile number. It's asking about company name and all the job title and all these things. We can write your own company, we can write your own job title. Nothing else. Oracle people will not come to you. They will not cross check your information there now. Right? Give that, but try to create Oracle account. Why? Because this is not going to be ended today. Answer my point here. We are in Java. Home of the Java is what nowadays? Oracle. We are going to download and install so many softwares in the future. Definitely everywhere, every time it's asking about that username and password. So try to create account with Oracle. That's the point I'm telling you. Already I had my own account at the rate. Okay, fine. And don't think about my password. It's not possible for you to understand. Already people are, myself, I'm not remembering, right? Okay, 1 minute, guys. And the password is okay. It's okay, fine. Why? Because after in general, whenever I'm taking these sessions now, after the sessions in my Gmail, I'm getting some notifications now. Somebody else is trying to access your email ID like this. That information I'm getting, I'm trying to click on the location information there. Maybe from USA or Rajasthan or some different locations now. Don't do that. Not required. Anyway, then we can go for our own information here now. All right, sir. Now here we are getting what version here? JDK. Here we are downloading just one version here. We downloaded. Am I right or not? Next one is I want to show like what there. Another one. For browser, one-time login is sufficient. One-time login is sufficient. We are able to get any number of times here. Now let me go for it. Now this time I want to get what version here? No, Java 7. Again, Java 7 download. Click on this enter button here. Again, Java 7 is also a RQ download or not? All right, so right click on it, open new link and go for it. Now here again the same process, nothing else. Check your operating system. What is your operating system? Actually my operating system is Windows 64, is already available. Now click on it. One time is sufficient. Okay, click on it and download. One time is sufficient to log in, then we can download any number of softwares there. Okay, up to that day or maybe until we close that what their browser. Right, sir. Now it is almost all completed here. Just wait for a minute of time. Once it is completed, then we are able to get it. Right, sir. Now it is completed. That's okay, fine. Now here we are able to get it. Leave this one. Next one is another thing is like what there Java 8 version. Here I want to get all the versions here I want to download. And before that, let me check it, guys. Now this is Java 7. Right, sir. Links I want to provide to you. Just give a minute of time. Java link. I provide it. Now next one is like what there Java 8 link. Right. Now let me download the Java 8 also. Java 8 download. Java 8 is also be archived or not? From archive downloads here, right click on it to open a new tab. Let us open this. Now here we are able to get it. Same process. Alright, so now here we have to identify Windows operating system and click on this. What is your operating system? First identify this. Okay. Select it, click on download. Now it's going to be downloaded. Right, sir. Once we download it, all these, then what I'm telling there, right, sir. Okay, fine. Now it is downloaded here. Right. So show in folder, go to that location there. Overall, how many versions you downloaded, guys? Now check this one. 3 versions here we downloaded here. Java 6, Java 7, and Java 8. Got it or not? One more thing I required or not? What is that one more thing there? Now tell me here. Java, 1 minute. Java 8 is downloaded. Let me copy this. All right. It's okay, fine. Right, sir. Now it's okay, fine. 3 versions here we downloaded there. That's okay. One more thing I want to get it for the sake of my requirement here. What is that another version here I have to download there? Java 17 version I required, sir. Java 17 I required there. Click on it. Java 17 again here. This is also be RQ downloads. But observe carefully. Java 19 if you want to download there. Oh, 19 is also RQ downloads. Okay, no problem. For everything they are providing like this. No need to worry for it. But in general, latest version they are going to say directly without login, without Oracle account, we can get it latest version. But all archive downloads, sorry, all archive downloads we have to get from what there through login only. Right? It's okay, fine. Java 17, I required no. Right now, let me go for it. All right, so now let us go for this Mac operating system, Windows 64. Okay, Windows 64 installer, that's sufficient. Okay, no problem. Windows 64 installer. This gear I want to get it. 17.06 here we are getting, but older versions I required somewhat. 17.0.4 I'm using previously. I want to use that. 17.0.4. Yeah, exactly. This one here I want to get. Right. This also be here we are getting it. No, it's okay, guys. Now, see, observe carefully. I'm telling there. All these many things here I downloaded here. Just I want to copy them. Whatever the versions I downloaded, no, I want to keep all these downloaded versions at a location in my system. Why? Because every time I'm going to download, I'm going to install. Instead of downloading every time, I want to keep a copy of all these things at some other place. No, then I'm going to use that. Right. So now here, cut E drive. All my softwares I'm going to keep in softwares folder in E drive. In our system also maintain the same thing. Inside this E drive softwares, JDKs, I want to create a folder. Inside the JDKs, all the softwares are available, guys. Already available. Just what I have to do there, right click and paste. Same product, same softwares here I downloaded, already they are existed here. So I'm not going to click on paste. Already they are available, right? Not required. Okay, fine. So assume it, I clicked on paste. Now they're available here. So up to now what I completed, now tell me. Just I downloaded Java software from internet. Website's names also were included in the document. That's okay, fine. Next one is what? Then after that, after completion of this download now, next one is installation process. Now this is like what their download option here. Download Java software from internet. Second one is like what there, install Java software. What we have to do there? How we are going to install it? No, very simple. One version document I'm going to prepare, but remaining versions we can install in our own way. Right, sir. Now inside this, what we have to click there, double click on the setup file. Whatever the setup file here we are getting there, that setup file here. Say for example here, I'm telling to you, observe carefully, I'm giving this name, whatever the setup file here we are getting there. Now let me double click on this setup file. This is a file we downloaded from internet here. So this here we have to double click on it. Okay, fine. Next one is, now let me do this one. Java 6 version I'm trying to download. Try to understand this. Double click on it. Right, sir. Now just click on next button here. Not more than that. Click on just only one version I am going to prepare document, guys. Remaining things here we have to prepare. Of course, you already aware about it, but still I'm giving clarity. It's a permanent content here. Right, sir. Next one is like what there. Click on next button. If you click on next button, as I said you previously, installation of Java software in the sense, two products here we have to install. One is a JDK, another one is what there, JRE. Now it is trying to install what there, please recognize this no, JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45. Okay, JDK here we have to install. Am I right or not? All right, sir. But by default, which location it has taken there? Now check this one. By default, C program files Java. Inside this JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45, it is trying to take like this. But my comfort, I'm telling there, my comfortness is what? I don't like to install my softwares under program files. My program files is giving more security for my products now. I don't like that much of security for my softwares. Simply, I want to install all my Java softwares under C drive directly, not in program files. C:/Java/JDK. There I want to install my thing. So I need to change this location or not? I need to change this location or not? So that's why here what I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Change JDK installation location to directly. I'm giving that location there. What's that location there? This is my comfort. I'm telling there. Still, if you are comfortable to install your software under program files, we can go ahead. No problem here. See Java, then where I'm going to provide like what there, JDK 1.6.0 underscore and 45 something else. It is available here. That I want to be specify the location here. Now observe carefully. Let me click on this change button here. Now simple here we have to remove what there. Just remove that program files, not more than that. Just remove program files. That location here I provided there. Click on OK button. Then automatically here we can change that location here. Change that location by clicking change button. Then after that, click on OK button. Right, sir. Whenever we click on this OK button here, click on what there, next button. That's finished. It's going to install what there, JDK. JDK is going to be installed. After installation of the JDK, then it is trying to install JRE, JDK, Java Development Kit, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Got it or not? JDK is what there? Java Development Kit. JRE is what there? Java Runtime Environment. Guys, observe carefully. JDK is our actual Java software. Java Runtime Environment is a set of libraries which are provided to run our Java programs. A set of libraries, some runtime environment will be provided by JRE to run our Java programs there. Understand my point here? All right, sir. Now it is asking about what location here. Now tell me JRE location here. Got it or not? Now here again we have to change it or not? As I said to you already. So here what I am telling to you clearly. Now here change JRE installation location to, what is that location here? C:/Java slash JRE6. That is the location here now. By clicking on change button. Then after that, click on OK button. Both are going to be available. By click on OK button. Right, sir. Now let me check this here. Now click on like change button here. Just here I have to remove what their program files here I have to remove. C:/Java JRE6. Click on what button here? OK button. Right, sir. Now here we specify the location. Click on what button here? Next button. If we click on next button, it's going to be installed. Please read out the statement now. 3 billion devices run Java. Like this, so many things now. Right, sir. Observe carefully. Now here, what we have to do there? Click on next button. Click on what there? Next button. Then after that, after clicking on next button here, what we have to do? Click on close button. Finish. Automatically click on close button. Right, sir. The same thing we have to repeat for what? Same thing we have to repeat for what? Java 7, Java 8, and Java 17 also. Better to install Java 17 also in our systems kernel. So can I ask one question now? Can I ask one question now? Everybody may give answer there. Before this class, you may not aware about this, but now I'm asking this question there. All of you ready? Now tell me. My question is it possible to install more than one Java version in a single computer? Is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? Possible or not possible? Yes, of course it is possible there. Already we have seen that. I installed 3 versions of Java here. That is a question here. Now some interviewers are asking this question now. At startup questions now, some interviewers are asking this question there. You installed that clearly. Okay, fine. Leave this one. All right, sir. We installed it. So finally, one version I installed there. Can I install remaining 2 versions here? I required in my system here. Now observe carefully. Now here, I need to go for like what the Java 7. Double click on it. Then 2 minutes. I want to install it now. Just wait a minute of time. Click on next button. Let me change that location here. Now program files here I want to change. As again, I'm telling one point here. My system, my internet a bit faster. In a quick manner, I'm able to install the softwares, but in your system, it may take some time. But don't think bad about it. I think don't think about wrong software we installing. Don't think like that. Why? Because in my system, for the sake of this classes environment, almost 20 GB RAM is available in my laptop now. Okay, but don't compare with my system. In your system, it may take a little bit time. Just wait until the completion of the installation. Why? Because the bad thing with the students is what they, whenever they are clicking on this next button, they're expecting the next button again. But when the process is going on there, they're not having patience level. They're trying to click on what their cancel button immediately. But don't do that. Wait until the response. Okay, fine. Now I changed my JRE also there. Click on this next button. It's going to be installed. 3 billion devices run Java. Then we are getting it. So different things. That because of this reason only Java is a more portable programming language. This is also one of the reasons to say Java is what there, a portable programming language. Click on close. That's okay, fine. Java 7 is okay. Java 8 here I want to install. Double click on it. Next button. Let me change it. All right, sir. Click on OK. Next button. Right, sir. We have to wait until the completion of this one. Right, sir. So then please read out the statement here. Then here we can understand some important point. Important information about Oracle Java SE roadmap. Corporate users will be impacted with the April 2019 update. April 2019 update is what the Java 11 version. Right from Java 11 version onwards, corporate users, not students, not individual developers, not teachers, only corporate users will be impacted with the April 2019 update. That is what the Java 11 version onward, Java is what there? Licensed one. That information they are providing right from what version there? Java 8 version onwards, they are giving this message. Continuously this message they have given right from what there? Java 8 version onwards. Java 11th version onwards, Java is what there? Licensed one. That message they are giving clearly. Right, so leave it. Okay, no problem. All right, sir. Now here, I need to change this location here. Jerry location. Now it is asking like this location there. Go for C drive. Inside this C drive, Java, select it, create a new folder, make a new folder, JRE8. I specified that. Again, click on it, JRE8, select it, OK button. Location is finalized, click on next button. Again, 3 billion devices run Java. It's going to be installed. Right, sir. Only one time only we are going to do all these activities in our classes. Are you getting it or not? Only one time. Next onwards, continuously we are going to talk about what their subject only. Try to understand it now. Right, sir. Java 8 may take a little bit time when compared with Java 6 and 7. And one more thing, in the latest versions of the Java, they have removed JRE, separate installation. They included JRE along with JDK only. Inside the JDK only, they included what their JRE. So not required to install separately JRE. Now it is asking about two products or not? JDK and what next one here? JRE. But in the latest versions of the Java, no JRE separately. Along with JDK, it is going to be available here now. Right, sir. Observe carefully. Now it is completed here now. Now I need to install JDK 17 version or not. Now let me install it. Now see this one. Only JDK is going to be installed. It's not going to install what there? JRE. Please recognize this. Double click on it. Double click on it. Right, sir. Now click on what button here? Next button. Right, so now I want to change the location here. Now it is asking about JDK installation location now. Right, so see Java JDK 17.0.5. Click on OK button. Now click on next button. 17.0.5 or 0.4, that doesn't matter. Both are same. All right, sir. I think I downloaded like what there 17.0.4, but I'm installing what there something else. It's okay, no issues there. We can utilize this. All right, sir. Guys, those who are attending in online, don't worry. At the end of the session, I will give time to you. I will talk with you, everybody. Whatever the questions you are having there, then I will answer for every question at the end of the session. Please wait for it. Okay, let me complete some few concepts here. Then after that, I will give more time to you then to answer for all of your questions. Right, sir. Now let's move on to this one. Guys, again, I'm telling that this is not recorded session. This is live session only. If you're asking about, if you are thinking you want to see my face, I will open my webcam, no problem for me. If you want to see my beautiful face, it's okay, no issues for it. All right, sir, wait for it. All right, guys. Now overall, what I completed, sir? Download Java softwares, I completed. Next one is what there? Installation of the Java softwares. Overall, how many softwares I installed here? No, 4 softwares I installed, right? All right, now where I installed now, tell me. In a C drive, Java folder. Now see this one. JDK 1.6, JRE6, JDK 1.7, JRE7, JDK 1.8, JRE8. But JDK 17 is what there? Only one. No JRE 17. JRE is also included inside what there? JDK. No. Right, sir. Good. Now I'm asking one question to you. Now try to answer for it. 3 versions, almost all 4 versions of Java here we installed. Am I right or not? 4 versions of the Java here we installed. Am I right or not? Now tell me, all of you now tell me, are you ready to use these Java versions now? Are you ready to use these Java versions now? Just 1 minute, guys. Now here, where Java here? 1 minute. Java 17, I will install again. Don't think much about it. Let me uninstall it. I'll install once again now. Java 17. Okay, I shown that installation process here. We can do that, but for the sake of my concepts, now I'm going to show that. Now tell me, overall, how many versions of Java I installed here? 3 versions, 6, 7, 8. After installation of the Java versions there, am I use directly these Java versions directly through my command prompt? Is it possible to use that Java C? Let me type it Java C now. So installation of the Java softwares is not sufficient to use them in our command prompt. Installation is not sufficient. Got my point or not? We need to provide some setups. We have to provide some setups. Think of it. Command prompt in the sense operating system. We installed Java software in my system, but operating system don't know what is the Java C, where the Java C is available. So we have to tell to the operating system or not. We have to talk to the operating system. We have to say to that operating system where the Java C is available or not. To give that location information of Java C, to give location information of Java C, we have to set a path environment variable. We have to set what there? Path environment variable. All of you have to carefully now understand this point here. Installation of Java software is not sufficient. Installation of Java software is not sufficient to use Java software in a command prompt. So we have to provide path environment variable. We have to provide what there? Path environment variable setup. Path environment variable setup. Right, sir. Installation of Java software is not sufficient to use Java software in command prompt. We have to use Java software, or else to use Java commands. To use Java commands in a command prompt, we have to set path environment variable. We have to set what there? Path environment variable setup. We have to provide path environment variable setup. Observe carefully. In two ways, we are able to provide path environment variable. Get my point or not? In two ways, we are able to provide path environment variable. We are able to set a path environment variable. In two ways, we are able to set path environment variable. What are the two ways to set the path environment variable? You know, first one is, observe carefully, temporary setup, and the second one is like what there? Permanent setup. Temporary setup, and second one is what there? Permanent setup. Observe carefully. Now, first of all, let's see the temporary setup now. Temporary setup. All right, sir. Now, understand the point here. To set a path environment variable, temporarily, use the following command. Use the following command on command prompt. What is that command here? I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. All of you guys, open the command prompt. Here Java C we don't know there. Then what I'm telling there? Set up. Observe carefully. Set up. Path is equal to the location where all Java commands are existed. The location where all Java commands are existed. All of you listen carefully. Where all Java commands are available here in our system now. Go for the installation location. See Java. Inside this, what we require there, open any JDK. Multiple versions you installed here. I want to open JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202. Open JDK. Now inside this JDK bin, what is that folder there? Bin folder. Open that bin folder. Copy this location. Control C. Right click and copy. Copy that location. Right. Come to the command prompt. Paste it. Semicolon. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Right, sir. Now we have to use this particular command. Click on this one. Now Java C is available or not? Click on this one. Now here Java C is available or not? What version of Java C here we are providing there? Java C space version here we provided. What version here we are getting there? 1.8.0 underscore 202. That version here we are getting. So this is a way to get Java version here. Java C space hyphen version. Then we are getting the Java version here. Got my point or not? So here what we have to type there? Now here we have to set like this here. Okay. Now set path like this here. We have to provide this particular one that we specified clearly and command prompt. That's okay, fine. All right, sir. Observe carefully. All of you observe carefully. One command prompt here we are getting there. There we provided this. I'm trying to open new command prompt. Here CMD. If you type no, we are able to get what there command prompt here. But already I pinned that command prompt into my taskbar. So right click on this command prompt. If I open this new command prompt here, I'm getting there where I'm using Java C. In the previous command prompt, I provided path setup. New command prompt I'm opening now. Then where I'm trying to type what there's Java say. Then what happened there? Not available. Again, what I have to do? Set a path is equal to, already copied that or not? Let me paste it. Click on this. Now here, Java C hyphen version. Now we are able to get. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Right, sir. Already we copied this. 2 times we provided. Right. Now here we are providing this. Now observe carefully. Java C space hyphen version. Here we are getting this one or not? Say for example, I'm trying to open one more new command prompt. Third command prompt. Now where I'm trying to type what there? Java C. Are getting any Java C? So what I have to do there now? Tell me. Again we have to set path or not? Set a path is equal to, there we have to provide, or else maybe let me paste it. Already we have the command. Set a path is equal to C Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 slash bin. Any version, whatever the version we installed here, any version we can use. Click on enter button here. Now Java C space hyphen version. If we use that, automatically here we are getting it or not? Again, if I open new command prompt, fourth command prompt here, if I open new command prompt, where if I use that Java C, here we are not getting that Java C or not. So what is the meaning of it now? In this way, if we set path environment variable that is valid or applicable up to the present command prompt or not, that is not available to the other command prompts or not. There's a problem with the temporary setup. So every time we open command prompt, we have to set this path environment variable in this way. It's a waste of time or not? It's a waste of work or not? And then what we are expecting now? What you are expecting there? Open any number of command prompt without typing set path is equal to something. Automatically, I want to get the Java setup. Am I right or not? To perform that, to get this particular option, we have to go for permanent setup. There we have to go for what there? Permanent setup. Let's understand this point here. Right, sir. Right, sir. If we set path environment variable, if we set path environment variable in a temporary, path environment variable temporary mode, then if we set path environment variable temporary mode, then the provided path environment variable variable is available up to the present command prompt, not available to the other command prompts. That's a problem. Now get the solution is what there. What is the solution here? We are going to provide there, right? To provide path environment variable setup, to provide path environment variable setup in all command prompts. Now in all command prompts we have to set path environment variable permanently. Right, sir. Now this is a requirement to set path environment variable permanently. Observe carefully. Then here, how we are going to set this path environment variable permanently. Now let me go for this what here? Permanent setup. Right, sir. Here I'm going to give some steps now. Now try to observe carefully. All right, sir. Now if you want to set path environment variable, then what we have to do there? Observe carefully. Just I want to close all the command prompts here. Right click and close all windows. It's okay. Leave this one. Right click on this PC. Then click on what there? Properties. All of you observe carefully what I said to you. Right click on this PC or my computer or computers, whatever it may be, on your desktop. Second one is what there? Select what next one here? Properties. Then after that, observe carefully. After selecting properties, at right side, what option is available? Select advanced system settings. What next one here? Select advanced system settings. Sir, I'm preparing these points and everything for the sake of you only. Only one time only, not every time here. One version I'm telling you. All right, so now click on this advanced system settings. Select what there advanced by default selected here. Click on what there environment variables. All right, so now select advanced tab. Select advanced tab. Then what next one here? After that, select, click on environment variables button. Observe carefully. If I click on environment variables button, here we are able to get two windows, guys. Observe carefully. Two windows are available. One is for what there? User variables, and second one is what there? System variables. What is the difference between user variables and system variables? No, user variables for what there? Actually, I'm using administrator as my username actually, but of course in our systems with your name one user might be created. In a single system, multiple users are available, 10 users are available. But if you provide setup care, that setup is valid up to that particular user. But if you provide the same setup care in system variables, no, that setup is available to all users. That's the difference here we can understand now. So now I want to go for up to my user care. Go for like what there? User variable. Go for user variable, not for system variable. Got it or not? All right, sir. Now here, what I required here? Path setup here is required. Now observe carefully, already path is existed. Almost all in your systems also, if you have already MySQL database installation or Oracle database in something else, if it is available in our system, already if you have some other software there, which might be used path environment variable. So path environment variable might be existed in our user variables part here. If you have any other softwares, got it or not? But in my system, I have already MySQL. That's why because of that MySQL already path is created. Not required to recreate that path environment variable again. I can use the same path environment variable. Got it or not? But both the cases I'm telling there. Now what I'm telling there, all right, observe carefully here in the document. No, then environment variables button here. Then after that, go to user variables. Go to user variables. Go to user variables block. Then what next one here? Select path if you have already, or 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 click on new button, or click on new button, or click on new button if you are not having, if no, if a path not existed, path is not existed, right sir, understand my point here? If a path is not existed already, click on what there, right sir. If the path is not existed, does not existed, does not exist already, that's okay, fine, right sir. This is a point I'm telling there. Okay, fine. Now let me go for it. Now in my system, what is available here? Path is already exists or not? Select it. Click on what button here? Edit button. Click on what button here? Edit button now. Understand my point here? Fine, sir. Now click on edit button. Now I need to prepare that newer one or not? New. Here observe carefully. New. I need to provide this. What version here I want to provide there? 1.8 is already copied or not? Now okay, let me copy once again here. Java C drive. Inside the C drive, I have to go for what there? Java JDK 1.8.0 pin. Let me copy this. Control C. I'm going to copy this. Now here I'm going to provide this. Click on new button. Paste this. Don't write set a path now. Just only value here we have to provide. Click on OK button. Now it is existed clearly here. Right. Now let me go for this document here. Observe carefully. Go to the user variables block and select a path if you have already, or click on new button if the path does not exist already. All right, sir. Here the point is like what I'm telling to you. Understand this clearly. If we click on path, if we click on path, then select edit button, then select edit and provide value to the path. What is that value here? No, what value here we have to provide there? This value. Then after that, what next one here? No, then click on OK button. Then click on what there? OK button. That's enough, guys. Now second one is what there? If we click on new button, what we have to do there? If we click on new button, then provide the following data. What data here we have to provide there? First of all, variable name. Variable name is path. I will show this. Don't worry for it. Then what next one? You know, variable value. Variable value is what there, whatever the data here I copied. Then after that, what next one here, click on what button here, now see this, let me show this point here. Right, sir. For example, if I click on new, here what we have to provide their path. Variable name is path. Variable value is what there, the copied one. Click on what button here? OK button. That's finished. Automatically, that path will be created, newer one. If already path is available, edit it. If path is not available, click on new button and create a path where provide your value clearly. Just already in my system, it is available. I'm not going to click on OK button. Just I'm going to click on what there, class. Right, sir. Already existed that one. Then what next one in both the cases after completion of this, no, click on OK button here. Now it's okay, fine. Click on OK button. Right. Then after that, what next one here? After that, G. Alright, so now observe carefully. After completion of this, click on OK button. Alright, so now it's completed. Click on OK button. Again, click on OK button. That's finished. Click on OK button. That's fine, guys. Completed. Totally, this total part is completed here. We can understand it now clearly. Right. How to set this path environment variable permanently? That we completed. Now here, parallel I set this path environment variable permanently or not? When I set this path environment variable permanently, now let me open my Java command prompt here. Command prompt I've opened here. Now inside this, what we are able to get there? Java C. Click on enter button. Now Java is available or not? Let me click on another command prompt here. Another command prompt. Now click on Java C. Java C space version, of course. Here we are getting Java. Java is available or not? Yes, available. Now we can open any number of command prompts now. There we are getting like what there, Java C. In all command prompts, Java C is available or not? Now this is an advantage of like what there, permanent setup. This is an advantage of like what there, permanent setup clearly. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Okay, fine now. Then right, nice. So up to now what we completed, sir, now tell me, I downloaded all Java versions in my system. Next one is what there? I installed Java softwares. After installation of the Java softwares, what I have done there? Now tell me, I provided all the setups, required setups to use Java software through my command prompt. These three things here we completed. Am I right or not? Next one. After that, I have few questions now. Few interview questions are available with me on the basis of these concepts here. Now let me go for that first one here. First question here I want to ask that. Question number one. Already I asked this question with you. Right, sir. Is it possible to install more than one Java software in a single computer? In a single computer? Right, sir. What is your answer here? Obviously, yes, right? Still, if you say no, can't do anything. Right, sir. Now, here, answer for this question is what there? Yes. Yes, we can install more than one Java software of the same operating system. Please remember this. Sir, I downloaded Linux Java software. I want to install on Windows operating system in the sense, not possible. I get my point or not? Of same operating system, I'm telling there. So more than one Java software of the same operating system. Instead of saying this, that's what I'm telling there. More than one Java software, multiple versions like Java 6, Java 7, and Java 8. More clarity. That we understood it. That is one question here. Okay, fine. Now let's see this. Let's see this point here. All of you guys understand it now. Another question. Please recognize my question here. Here my question is what there? If we install more than one Java version in a single computer, then which version of the Java software, which version of the Java software is available in command prompt to use? I think you understood my question now. 3 versions of Java software I installed in my system. Am I right or not? Out of these 3 versions of Java software, which version is coming to my command prompt to use? Of course, in the examples I shown that Java 8 now, but actual answer is what there? What is your answer here? What you have to provide there? All right, sir. Now, if we install more than one Java version in a single computer, tell me which version will come there in single computer, then the Java software which we set up in a path environment variable. Am I right or not? Path environment variable. Which version of the Java software which we set up in path environment variable? That Java software will come in command prompt to use. That's guys. Now there's a point here we can understand clearly. Which version we set there, that Java version will come there. Now just I want to show some point here. Now observe carefully here. Command prompt I open here. Now here set up path is equal to, this time I want to set like what there, JDK 1.6.0 bin. Copy this. I'll provide this. Semicolon Java C hyphen version 1.6 here we are getting. Set up path is equal to, this time here I want to set like what there, JDK 1.7.0 underscore bin. Copy this location. I'll provide this. All right, sir. Java C hyphen version 1.7.0. Right, sir. Next one is after that. 1.0 bin now. Right, so now set path is equal to, right, sir, Java C space a hyphen version. What we are getting here, these many things here we are getting. Got it or not? All right, sir. For the sake of you, I want to copy this. I want to give in the document here. Example, I am telling there, as you installed all three versions of the Java here, I given that information here. There is a simple point here I'm telling you. But still I have one more question, guys. What is my question here? Observe carefully. Is it possible to set more than one Java version to the path environment variable? Is it possible to set more than one Java version to single path environment variable? To the single path environment variable? Is it possible? If yes, which version will come in command prompt to use? I think you understood my question here. Come on, guys. What is my question here? Is it possible to set more than one Java version to the single path environment variable? If yes, if you say yes, almost the answer is yes only. That's why I'm giving next continuation question there, right? If say yes, then which version will come in command prompt to use? Yeah, then what I am telling to you, this is a homework to you. Whatever the information I have done up to now inside the class, do practice on this content, but try this example. Set the path is equal to 6th version, semicolon, 7th version, semicolon, 8th version. Click on enter button. Then see Java C space hyphen version. Which version is available? Now try to check with that. Don't worry, this today's class video is also be uploaded in YouTube as well as in the drive. I think some of you are already registered for the classes now. There we are able to get that videos access. There we are getting this video within 1 hour. We are able to get it. Okay, we can practice this. Of course, you're already aware about all these configurations and all the installations here. But one time we have to discuss completely. No, that's why I'm discussing about this point here. So up to installation, download option I completed, installation we completed, setups we completed. Then over the setups, I'm asking some few questions now. Maybe chances are available to get this type of questions here. That's why I'm giving this total awareness now. Yes, sir, got it or not? But this part exactly I want to show on tomorrow. This part I want to show on tomorrow, guys. Right? Understand it clearly now. Right, sir? That's okay, fine. Those who are already attended last few classes there in core Java, you can leave. Those who are first time attending my class there, just you can stay here. Just 5 minutes, not more than that. I will talk with you. Remaining members, you can leave. Those who are coming for demo class, stay here. Those who are already attending these classes there, just you may leave from the classroom. Guys, and those who are available in online, just those who are attending this class there, uh, might be then first day or maybe last 2 days of classes, no, just we can stay here. We can not record you, just stay here. Okay, fine. Hey, Anji. Right, sir. You're all coming for a demo class, right? All right. Good. Nice. Nice, guys. And anyway, then I'll give some information related to our course. What I'm giving there, it is not like any demo class, just basic awareness I'm telling you. Now try to understand it now. Is it required to introduce myself? Don't you know that my face? Anyway, my name is Nagoor Babu. That's enough, right? Owner of this institute. What I have to inform, what I have to give information, sir. That's okay. Leave it. Not required here. So and so on, so on. Leave it now. Apart from this, what exactly the thing here I want to explain to you today. Today here I'm taking these classes, no. Then core Java, the steps to prepare first application here I started there. I would like to give some clarity now. Try to understand it, all of you know. 1 minute, 1 minute. I want to take. Just small details, guys, about these classes, no, what I'm going to provide there. Some of you are having some doubts related to this course, how I'm planning these courses and all. Let me give clarity on it. Yeah. First of all, now, what courses here we are starting? Today is a demo class, if you think about it. What courses here we are planning? Now, try to understand it. Nearly 4 batches are available. One is what there? Batch 1, only core Java. We can select this today's class. Batch 2, basic Java package, and 4 courses are going to be available here. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, and Basic UI. Today is the first class for Core Java within this batch. Batch 3, complete Java package, Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, and Basic UI. Here, what I'm telling you, Core Java is available. Today is the first class for this Core Java, even in this one also. Next one is what there? Batch for Full Stack Java. Full Stack Java Developer course. Nearly 14 to 15 courses are available. Right, sir. Now again here Core Java is available. Then this is a first class for what there? Core Java. Has got clarity? We can select either of this option. Durations, if you think about it, as I'm going to discuss about Java 19th version. Not like what there, like up to Java 6 or Java 7 or Java 8. In the startup mode, 3 versions I installed inside my class now. But actually, I'm going to discuss like what there, 19th version of the Java, up to Java 19. By completing your course, if Java 20 is coming there, you can expect that the Java 20 also I'm going to discuss. Up to the latest version, we are going to discuss inside, that I said you already. One time if you end the course here, that should be the permanent one. That should be the final one. You should not come back for core Java again and again. It's a permanent solution. Please remember one point here. I'm telling one more thing to you. I think some of you are having this kind of expectation, but I'm giving clarity there. People are expecting nowadays job guarantee programs. But I'm total against for job guarantee programs. Only one simple philosophy what I'm going to be follow. If you have subject, then you will get job. No need to depending on any other person here. If you don't have subject, then only may check for what there, this kind of backdoor jobs or this kind of referral things and all. But here in the learning process, I don't like that kind of approaches, no. But my simple philosophy is what there. I'm not going to conduct job guarantee program. but I'm going to conduct what their content guarantee program, subject guarantee program. I'm trying to inject subject as a teacher, as a guide for you. I'm going to inject more subject. With this more subject, easily you can get the job. One simple point. If you want to get job, 70% your effort is required. Trainer from my side, only 30% in everywhere. If you do hard work up to 70%, then you will get job. But trainer participation is only 30% for getting your. See, for example, I'm going to teach up to Java 19th version there. Not for a single student there. For everybody, I'm teaching that. My worth is very same for everybody. But after teaching my complete information, how much you are getting, on the base of that only you are able to get job. How much work we have done. If you done properly, if you work hard, then you will get job. If you are not working hard, you will not get the job. But how I can give guarantee on the base of your 70% of the work? I can give guarantee on my 30% of the work. But how I can give guarantee on the base of your 70% of the work? How much time we are sitting in front of me, I can monitor everybody. But once this 1.5 hour or 2 hours of class is completed, if you are sitting at your home, how I can monitor you? So that's why then I don't want to believe that. Come on, you're not at kids, right? You're not like elementary school or intermediate colleges. No, it's not like Chaitanya public school or Chaitanya junior college. It's not like Narayana junior college. Come on here. Then you should know the responsibility of you. You should know how to get job. You have to do work. By force, we cannot do anything. So that you should have the responsibility. See, today you are coming for demo class. By force, are you coming to this demo class? No. Are you getting any force from your relatives or maybe parents? No. You have responsibility. That's why we are coming here. Same tempo we have to show until the completion of the course. Then definitely we are able to get job. So that's a simple philosophy what I'm following here. That's the point here. So here totally subject is going on. At the same time, one more thing I'm telling to you. This is not job guarantee program, but more than job guarantee program, we are providing the environment. What we are providing there. Company drives we are conducting. We are inviting companies to Durgasoft. They will come here. They will conduct the drives. We will provide open opportunity for every student. You can come and you can participate in that company drive. Show your talent. Select. You can work with the respective company. Number of companies are coming. As of now, 50 plus companies are available with my hand. But company people are expecting nowadays Springboard, microservices, web service, this kind of content. And only core Java companies in the sense, very less number of companies there. So everybody must have knowledge up to what their Java frameworks. Nowadays might be the trending one is what there, full stack Java. Nowadays the trending one is what there, full stack Java. Every company is looking for what there, full stack Java. I want to show one funny video, guys. I think already some of you are aware about it, but I want to show again here. Full stack Java, how much it is important there in outside, no? Then I got this in YouTube, unfortunately, but try to see this one. I think voice may not be available. Fire accident is going on in a company. Everybody is looking for one person. Looking for Kiran. There is a statement. He is not full stack Java Kiran. She is full stack Kiran. Yeah, there is a weightage of full stack now. I got it. Unfortunately, I identified this video in the YouTube. Might be then I'm showing that nowadays guys observe carefully that full stack, that means that is a weightage of this full stack now. Nowadays every company is looking for full stack Java. See, the point is previously one developer is having awareness on one technology, but nowadays if single developer is having awareness on the total project life cycle, no, then every company will take that particular person or not. Instead of one skill set, then 10 to 50 number of skill sets are available in the sense every company is looking for what the respective person. So there is a demand of this full stack Java developer. That's why here we are planning for that full stack Java also, as I shown there clearly, full stack Java also is available. That's okay, guys. Now, what is the point I'm telling there? So we are contentful. Basically, we are conducting all these courses with what they're contentful. Understand it clearly. That's okay, fine. After that, okay, fine. So if we join here, what advantages here we are able to get with my courses here now? What advantages here we are able to get here? Right, sir. Just 1 minute, guys. Now, yeah. See this one. All my classes video recordings will be provided up to 1 year. 1 year is an official boundary. More than that, we are able to get. All my classes materials in the form of hard copy for offline students. For online students, it's like what their soft copy will be provided, free soft copy, but that chargeable in the sense Xerox course, our people will take that. Right, sir. Course completion certificate will be provided at the end of the course for everybody. Conduct certificate, Durgasoft certificate, not Oracle certificate. Please remember this. Okay, fine. Company drives will be conducted for all the students. Yeah, as I said, the company drives we are going to be conducted here. Next one is what there concepts wise written test will be provided. If you complete one particular topic, on that we are going to conduct one written test for the sake of checking your knowledge. All right, sir. Mock interviews, depending on the time. These mock interviews. Why? Because maybe damn sure we can expect more students in my classes there. But conducting these mock interviews or not, let me check the possibility. But I will plan for it maximum there. Right, sir. Working with multiple databases and multiple servers, working with multiple IDs, it's okay. Interview questions will be covered up to the latest version. As of now, 19th version here we are able to cover. Understand it? What I'm telling you. So these advantages here we are able to get here. Right, sir. Then I said to you, more than job guarantee program, we are providing the environment behalf of the Durgasoft. That's the point I'm telling to you. Then apart from this, what next one here? Please recognize this schedule information, guys. Everybody, please recognize the schedule information. Now, just I'm taking demo class at what time here? 7:30 to 9. Please remember this. Introduction topic, I will discuss it with you. Second point is what there, steps to prepare for Java program. The topic is started today, right? Clear? Now, here, what I'm telling to you, my participation in this overall, my participation is what there, this total Java stream. Myself is a responsible person for what there, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. I will take the responsibility up to this part. Remaining courses would be taken care by some other expert trainers at Durgasoft. Number of trainers are available for a DevOps or maybe testing tools or Linux or maybe AWS and what next one, Oracle and UI technologies, Angular, so many other trainers are available. They will take the responsibility, but up to Java part, I will take the responsibility. Understand it clearly. I'll appear up to the Java. For Java stream, what exactly the schedules I'm giving there? 6 to 9 is my time. 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock is my time. That is Java. In remaining time, morning 7 to up to 6 o'clock, number of batches are going to be short. Remaining courses you can join at any time in your comfort time. In our comfort time, in our comfortable time, we can join with the classes in the remaining time there. 6 o'clock to 9, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. is my schedule. I'm going to utilize this. Please, all of you understand it now. Right. One more point I'm telling there. Demo classes, these are fundamental classes here. I'm taking at 7:30 to 9. But original content of the Java, I'm going to take at what time there? 6 to 7:30. Please recognize this adjustment. A small adjustment. Right from first day onwards, I'm telling to you. Whoops onwards. Object orientation. Actual Java will start from whoops only. Before that only fundamentals like steps to prepare first program, introduction part, language fundamentals. These things I will discuss at what there 7:30 to 9 only. But object orientation onwards, I'm going to take your classes for at what time there 6 to 7:30. Please recognize this point here. Okay, of course. All videos we are able to get, all classes videos we are able to get time to time. No need to worry for it. After completion of the class, within 1 hour, that video will come to you. There we can watch that video, we can understand it clearly. So the other schedule, Java. So once if I start this core Java main part here at 6 to 7:30, automatically 7:30 to 9 slot will be vacant or not? All right. In that, I'm going to start what there? Advanced Java. I get my point or not? So this basic classes, if I complete there at 7:30 to 9, when I'm going to take whoops concepts at 6 to 7:30, after completion of whoops also, not immediately. Why? Because After completion of whoops only I can start advanced Java. Before that, not possible to understand that advanced Java. We need to complete some topics in core Java. Basics for advanced Java is what there? Object orientation in core Java. What is a prerequisite for advanced Java? Object orientation in core Java. If I complete that, then only I will start what there? Advanced Java. Advanced Java and core Java both are going to be happen parallelly. At one particular point of time, advanced Java is going to be start there. At one particular point of time, core Java is going to be completed where I'm going to start what there? Hibernate. In place of advanced Java is going on here. At one particular point of time, advanced Java is going to be completed. There I will start what there? Spring. Spring is going to be taken. Here, when we complete Hibernate, there I will start web services. In place of the Spring about microservices. This is a schedule. This Java schedule here is going to be happen there. Parallelly, along with these two slots, two more slots we have to take there. There we have to complete the remaining courses here. If you want to be in full stack Java, there Oracle we can start. Right from tomorrow onwards, we can start Oracle classes wherever it is started. But my suggestion is what there. Just see some topics in core Java. After that, you can plan for what there. Oracle and UI, Angular, and all the concepts here. For core Java, dependencies are available. For Java, dependencies are available. First, you have to see some time in core Java. After completion of the basics in core Java, then only we have to go for what there? Advanced Java. After getting some topics in advanced Java, then we have to go for what there? Hibernate. Two slots we have to assign totally for what there? Java. That is my responsibility. I'll be back of you until the completion of what there? Java. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Right. One more thing I'm telling there, as I said to you already, my approach is totally contentful approach, not like job guarantee program. What's going to be happening in job guarantee programs now? Just within 3 months of time, total full stack is going to be completed. What we are able to learn? Strictly speaking, my entire core Java is not going to be complete within 3 months of time. Understand my point? So because of that reason, so this is what exactly the schedule here I'm telling to you. 6 to 9 evening slot is my time. Remaining courses we can start at any time in our comfortable time. But morning to evening classes are going to be start there continuously. Max every week or every 2 weeks of time, every week of time, new batches are going to be start for what there? Other courses there. In our comfortable time, we can start with the classes there. But 6 to 9 is a fixed time for what there? For my classes. Moreover, I'm telling there again, I'm telling to you, these basic classes I'm taking at 7:30 to 9, but object orientation onwards, you have to attend at what time there? 6 o'clock, 6 to 7:30. That we have to attend the classes. Yes, sir, got my point or not? Right, sir. Then how to switch between topics? I will take care about it. You don't think too much about it then, but I will give the time to time notifications to you. Time to time, I will give the schedule roadmap I will provide. Through that you can follow. Just if you follow my schedule, within a less time we are able to complete the total content, then easily we are able to finish your course, then we may go for what their jobs in outside. Understand it? But once again I'm telling there, in Durgasoft also job drives are going to be happen, but this is like what they're not any chargeable. It's not like any consultancy. If you register for the courses, automatically you are eligible to attend for drives which are conducted at Durgasoft. But my suggestion is what there, not in core Java level. Whenever we are in a Spring framework at least. Why? Because every project is going on with the Spring framework nowadays now. So whenever we are in Spring framework, by the time only we are able to get jobs. We are able to have drives here. At core level, maybe companies will come here, but for the sake of other batches, no, not for the sake of you. Whenever we are in frameworks now, there we are eligible to attend for what their company. If the company drive is going on with only core Java, they're expecting only core Java students, then I'll give that notification inside the class now. You can come and you can attend further classes there. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my clarity or not? Getting clarity or not? So this is the schedule related information here we can understand. Right, sir. Now here, of course, I'm going to keep this document also, this thing also be into, right, sir. Yeah, even the details also there. It's not like this. Right. 1 minute, guys. Now here, core Java. Right. Yeah, here I'm giving that information there. So in the document, I provided all the details. No, just we can check with that. Okay, fine. Then I think all of you are taking this link there. I got this link. Then today class also, that written document we can see through this link only, so that we are able to get it clear. Clear to all of you know, right? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Right, sir. Tomorrow at 7:30, not at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock class timing. I will say to you inside the class when on which date onwards we are attending at 6 o'clock now. But meanwhile, we have to attend at what time there? 7:30 only until my notification, right? Try to come at 7:30 tomorrow. We are going to see the next further content clearly. We are going to understand. That's all, guys. Thank you for it. And tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow we'll meet at 7:30. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Guys, those who are attending in online, just give a minute of time. Then I will clarify afterwards. Any doubts if you're having that, just you can give queries there in the chat in the questions box. You can give that. I'll give time for you. Then I'm able to explain to you clearly all the things, guys. All right. So then, what you are expecting here? Yeah. Why? Because see, some conclusions are different from one version to another version. Say so some features are supported in Java 6, some other features are not supported in Java 6, and even the feature is supported there, but output will be varied from one version to another version. So I need to show all these differences. That's why no, some features may be blocked. Yeah, that features we have to understand. Say for example, in the company Java 8 version is going on. Now I'm going to discuss Java 19 here. That version is supported in Java 8. In our project that's going to be used, but in Java 19 it's going to be blocked. The differences are available. Then we need to discuss about all these differences. Of course, I'm going to show the same point. For working only, in general, project is going to be set up with only one version. Yeah, for the sake of this project, which version is going to be suitable, they will identify that. Your team lead may identify that. Manager may identify that. That version they are going to fix. But see, in the Sun Microsystem or maybe Oracle Corporation may provide Java 19, but don't think about it. Immediately, Java 19 is going to be used in the companies. Java 19 will be used by the companies maybe after 10 years. Now at present, which version is there? 8, 9, 10, max these versions, depending on the company's requirement. But nobody will use immediately Java 19. The migration time may take minimum 7 to 8 years of time. But as you are the people, as you are the learner, you should be ready for that. That's what I'm telling there. If you learn Java now, in the next 15 years of time, you should not come back for Java. This is a permanent solution. Okay. Right. Not required, sir. Everything I'll discuss. So even if I required any C programming knowledge, I will down to C and I'll discuss that. Then after that, I'll come back to Java. Not required. Just if you switch on, switch off the system, that's sufficient to attend my classes. No need to think much about it. Then today class, if you understand, no, you'll understand everything in Java. That's fine. You'll understand everything. Thank you. Yeah. Yes. Anything else? Come on. 6 to 9. Yeah. Now this time introduction class are going on at what time there? 7:30 to 9. After few days of time, you have to attend at 6 o'clock, 6 to 7:30. But meanwhile, this basic class I'm going to finish at 7:30 now. In place of that, I'll start advanced Java. Understand it now? So two courses parallelly I'm going to run, but I will adjust the timings now. But finally, you have to assign 6 to 9 time for Java. Remaining courses at remaining time. Yeah, present maybe next to approximately 2 weeks of time, 7:30 to 9 for core Java. After maybe 10 days of time, maybe I'll give the schedule at 6 o'clock. I'll give information inside the classes now. What is content? No? Maybe I think so. I think then I think you are given your number there, right? You will get WhatsApp message there. The total full course syllabus, the total syllabus you will get it. Don't worry. Otherwise, then tomorrow I will provide inside the classroom. The almost nearly 60 pages of document is available. Full stack Java total. There we can identify everything. All courses syllabus we are able to get. Don't worry. 7:30 only. 6 o'clock. Uh, అవును ఏ అవసరం లేదు ప్యారలల్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అంటే మీకు టైంని బట్టి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అట్లా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు అది ఎక్కడ లేట్ అవుతుంది. నేను ఎంత కూడా ప్యారలల్ చేస్తేనే ఆ టైం పట్టుద్ది. ఎందుకంటే 15 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 14 ఉన్నాయి. ప్యారలల్ నేర్చుకుంటే 6 to 7 పట్టింది. డైలీ 4 స్లాట్స్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి. 2 స్లాట్స్ నాకు అప్ చెప్పండి. ఇది నేను తీసేసుకుంటాను. 6 to 9 అనేది నా టైం కంప్లీట్గా. రిమైనింగ్ 2 స్లాట్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా. ఎందుకంటే కంటెంట్ ఎక్కువ ఇక్కడ. ఈవెన్ మీకు 6 to 7 months ఆఫ్ టైం జావాకే పట్టుద్ది. ఇవన్నీ మిగతా ప్యారలల్ నేర్చుకుంటేనే ప్యారలల్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. Yeah. In the middle of the core Java. Middle of the core Java, then when basic part is complete in core Java, then we'll start with advanced Java. But otherwise, then time will take more than 1 year it will take to complete Java, if it is the case. But I will manage it. At what time I have to start advanced Java, then I'll give information to him. I will take care about it. In your understandable way, I will take the classes. Don't think about it. Okay? Ma. అచ్చా, మీరు నన్ను అప్పుడు చెప్పారు కదా నాతో. ఏమైంది? ఆహా, అవునా? అంటే అది జనరల్గా వేరే ఫ్యాకల్టీ అనే ఉద్దేశంతో చెప్తున్నట్టున్నారు కదా. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా సరే, ఒకసారి నేను చెప్తాను, మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడుతాను. అంటే మీరు ప్యాకేజ్ ఏం తీసుకోవట్లేదా? ప్యాకేజ్ తీసుకుంటే ఈ గొడవలు ఏమి ఉండవు కదా, ఏదైనా బేసిక్ ప్యాకేజ్ నేను తీసుకుంటే. ఎందుకండి భయం? ఎందుకండి? క్లాస్కి వస్తున్నారు కదా, అర్థం కావట్లేదు క్లాస్. ఇంక మీకు ఆలోచన ఏం లేదు. అట్లీస్ట్ బేసిక్ ప్యాకేజ్ అయినా ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇవి నేను చెప్పేదానికైనా కొంత మీనింగ్ ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళకి. మరి ప్యాకేజ్ తీసుకుంటే 2 సార్లు అటెండ్ అయితే చెప్పొచ్చు, ఏదైనా ఛాన్స్ ఉంటే చూడండి. మరి బేసిక్ ప్యాకేజ్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి. కొంత ఏదైనా కన్సెషన్ కూడా అన్ని కావాలంటే ఇస్తారు. ఆల్రెడీ మీరు కొంత పే చేస్తున్నారు కదా, అది కట్ ఆఫ్ చేసుకుని బేసిక్ ప్యాకేజ్లో తీసేసుకుంటారు. మీరు కూడా అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు. మీకు ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. అర్థం కాని విషయం నాకు వదిలిపెట్టండి, నేను చూసుకుంటాను. టైం టు టైం నాతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉండండి, మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా డబ్బులు అనవసరంగా మళ్ళీ ఎక్కువగా పెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆ ఇండివిజువల్కి వెళ్ళి చాలా ఎక్కువ కాస్ట్ అవుతుంది. చాలా ఉంది, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి, ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని చూసుకోండి. మీకు అర్థం చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. ఇది యాక్చువల్గా మనీ రిలేటెడ్ నేను ఉన్నాను దానిలో. ఇంకా నేను మాట్లాడుతామంటే ఏదైనా వాళ్ళతో మళ్ళీ వాయిలేట్ అవుతుంది. అదే కోర్స్ అయితే అయిపోయింది కదా, అది అనే ఉద్దేశంతో చూసుకోండి. నేను ఒకసారి చెప్తాను, కాకపోతే ఎంతో కొంత ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి. మనీ పే చేయించాను ఒకవేళ ఇంత కేసు ఇది అయితే కంప్లీట్ ఫ్రీ అంటే వీళ్ళు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయరు నాకు తెలుసు. ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఇచ్చిన పేమెంట్ మొత్తం ఆయన తీసేసుకెళ్ళిపోయినాడు కదా. అది ఉంటుందేమో ఒక్కసారి. అది నా చేతులు కూడా లేని సిచ్యువేషను. నేను ఏదైనా తగ్గించేదని చూస్తాను కానీ అది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. అది మేము guys, then how much fee for this course, guys? And please reach out to our office through these numbers, no? Then fee related information, just you can talk with our admin people. They will take care about it. Okay. Then already in the desktop I given that numbers to you. Then you can contact with these numbers. Then our people will be in touch with you. Okay. Then as part of the full stack course, today learn data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms, no. Okay, fine. He'll be telling us which topic you will start parallelly. Along with core Java, advanced Java, along with advanced Java frameworks, Swapnil. Okay. Huh? Right, yes, that's okay, fine. And well, I've been working on one domain. Now I want to move to other domains. This goes enough for experience now. Yes, Guru Prasad, how much work you are doing on the base of that only we can do that. 3 to 4 years of experience, it's okay. Then we can manage it. No issues for it. Okay. Yeah, Shravani, then please follow this email ID and like what their mobile numbers. Our people will give more clarity. I'm from non-IT background. Even though Priyanka, no problem, then you can manage it. Yeah, Sri Harsha, I will provide the details. No, I will provide all the remaining courses as backup classes to you. Don't worry, then you can join with these classes. How much fee for these classes? No, just please contact our admin people there. They will give more clarity about these fee related things. Yeah, all see job related drives will be provided for both online and as well as for what they're offline. But the tests and interviews will be conducted in offline mode. If you come to Hyderabad, then you can attend for it. No, we are not going to provide any experiences certificate. We will provide course conduct certificate. Course completion certificate will provide Priyanka Patil. Okay, right, guys. Anything else? Uh, right, sir. Then real-time project in the sense, along with the course, automatically some applications we are going to do which include the real-time scenarios, guys. It's not like any separate course like real-time project, no. Okay, fine. Just know there is no separate course like real-time project, no. Just that will be along with the course automatically some applications we are going to prepare which contains like real-time scenarios like this. Okay. Anjana Rajendran, as of now, these timings are fixed there. Maybe in the future, in the morning time, we are able to get, but it will also be hard for you. At early morning classes, in the sense, maybe in May, June, I'm going to start it. At 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. classes, I'm going to start at maybe on May, June. On this month on, I'm going to start. Why? Because already some full stack Java is going on at present. Okay, fine. Yeah, Priyanka, definitely. The Durgasoft certificate is a branded organization. Definitely, it will be useful for you. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, it will be useful. Then companies will recognize it. Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Civil engineer and Girish Babu, get him difficult to understand words like JDK, JRE. Yeah, Girish Babu, then that's why it may take some time there, not immediately. Why? Because you are completely in outside background. So then what I'm telling there, it may take some time. Repeatedly, if you see the content there, then definitely we are able to get touch. So otherwise, they might be somewhat difficult for you. But we have to repeatedly we have to watch the videos and we are trying to digest the content. Then only it's possible. Otherwise, it may not be possible there. Okay, fine. Yeah, Swapnil Jadhav. Then Then introduction topic I complete. Again, I will take backup classes there. Don't worry. But still, if you want to get that access, no, we will provide that. No need to worry for it. Definitely will get it. Fee structure. Priyanka, just reach out to our content details there. Then please send a mail to this Durgasoft online training at gmail.com, or people will be in touch with you. Priyanka Patil, right? Working in a software company. If class will start at 6 p.m., it's difficult to me to attend the class. Yeah, Sriharsha, then the class timings are fixed maximum. Why? Because we need to talk about the full stack Java, right? So because of that reason, I'm taking this kind of option. Okay. No, okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Anything else, guys, apart from this? Anything else? Yeah, same time. Tomorrow, same time. Tomorrow session at 7:30 only. Same link. Better to save this link, guys. Tomorrow's class link. Tomorrow class timing will be same. Same link. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Then tomorrow at 7:30, if you have any queries there, then I'll clarify that queries on 7:30. Don't worry. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Shall we leave, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Yeah. Thank you.